Writer Rajan Gawas has described the personality of Sakhu Aji exactly and in detail. This can be an excellent example of biography. The writer has summarized all the important events occurring in her life for 90 years in the given prose. She was not related to anyone in the village, yet was loved by everyone. The writer says she used to talk in poetry form. She was natural at being a poet and used to recite verses while talking. Things she used to say were weird and unrelated. At any one's place, for any event, she used to reach at any occasion on her own. She equally participated with other men. She learned to read in mere 15 days and later even taught all the women in the village to read. She was intelligent. Had she been in a city, she might have achieved a lot. When she passed away, it was a sad moment for the entire villagers.
सखू आजी परवा वारली ही गोष्ट कदाचित सांगण्या इतपत महत्त्वाची नसेल, कारण आपण कितीतरी मृत्यू रोज अनुभवत असतो. याबाबत मला काहीही म्हणायचे नाही. तरीही सखू आजीचा मृत्यू मला खोलवर जखम करून गेला. आपलं असं काही हरवलं असं मला आजही वाटतं.
सखू आजीचं वय वर्ष 90.
हातात काठी, वाकून कमान झालेलं शरीर, चेहरा सुरकुत्यांनी भरलेला. सखू आजी गल्लीतून जाताना कोणी सहज म्हटलं, आजी कुठं चाललीस? तर लगेच उत्तर,
कुठे जातोय बाबा, म्हातारं माणूस, हाड गेली वड्याला, बघा माझ्या मड्याला.
म्हातारी काय बोलते हे सगळ्यांना समजायचं असं नाही, पण प्रत्येकजण तिच्याशी बोलायचा प्रयत्न करतो.